it's a 10x multiple $50 million business, right? Is kind of the ballpark that we're playing in. Was it because it was growing so quickly? Were you like, oh, we're experiencing 20% month over month growth? Or was it just you were seeing this massive trend in outsourcing talent? Like, what was it exactly that for you was the catalyst?
So it was a 3.5-year-old business that was doing $1 million a month of revenue. It was growing exceptionally fast. And I just saw what it did to my business. I went from a mindset as an entrepreneur in 2020 of, hey, everybody on my team is in America, every single person. To hire somebody new and to grow my business takes $50,000 a year. And that's for an entry level person. To hire an executive, God forbid, if I can afford them, it's $150,000 a year. I went from that to being able to make 5 hires who are specialists for the same money. And when you can do that, the growth, it just changes everything about how you think about business. If you can manage these people, like, look, there's difficulties. If you can manage them, if you can, keep track of everything, if you can really make sure that everybody's productive inside your business, it's a total game changer. And I know it's not going to get easier to hire Americans. I know that. Why
do you think no one's built a $100 million overseas talent company yet?
They have, absolutely.
They have?
Oh, hell yeah. Athena.
Tell me about it.
Athena's doing 60 million ARR, probably worth $500 million if they went public. They just do only executive assistants in the Philippines.
Only executive assistants.
In the Philippines. They're not doing any team building. They're not doing any corporate accounts. I mean, we have shifted our focus over the last year to literally helping companies build their entire teams. And we're going to do, with 5 different clients this year, we're going to do more than 30 hires for them. We're going to help them build their entire company. That only goes up as you start building teams. So yeah, there's many BPOs, we're going to build a full team for you. We're going to put them in an office.
What's a BPO? Business partner organization?
Business process outsourcing means like we're going to take a function of our company and put it in an office in the Philippines. If you go to Manila, there are high rises full of BPO organizations that are the middlemen between Visa, MasterCard, Apple, and these call centers. And many of them are worth $100 million plus.
Really?
Oh yeah. It's a big business.
So did you just see, I'm able to differentiate because I have a distribution channel? It's like, okay, this is a known thing. There are already companies this size. We're growing exceptionally fast. I've got the experience from it because I know how much it's revolutionized my business. And I have the distribution channel. Like, were those kind of the components that got you to a place where?
Yeah, that's exactly it. Like, hey, look, this is a good business. This is a good business model. I'm a good operator. I can grow this thing. And over time, if I make good decisions and I build the right team, this can be not a $1 million a month business, but a $10 million a month revenue business.